This is Nokia T21, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to start, make sure that Wi-Fi, cellular data and Bluetooth are enabled. So let me check. So in my case, everything seems to be working. Now you gotta launch the control panel and find the shortcut that says nearby share. Here it is. Touch and hold onto it. Turn on the switch, and well, from now the nearby share option is activated. The only thing that is left to do is to set it up a little. So for example, you can change its name, or not it, but your device's name or alias. Turn on and turn off the device visibility, make it discoverable or not, as well as change the visibility extent. So for example, you can make it so that your tablet will be only visible to your devices or the devices that have the same Google account signed into. You can make it visible only to the people from your contacts list or to everyone who is in range. Finally, you can manage what data mode will be used for the transfer, and that will be pretty much it. So let me test this feature out. So I happen to have another devices in front of me, so I'll try to send, let's say, this screenshot through the nearby share. Here I have my Nokia tablet, so tap on it, then accept transfer at the receiver's end, so at the tablet itself. Wait for the file to get sent and received respectively. And here we have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.